Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you watch unavailable YouTube videos. So if that's the problem you're facing, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, we go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, only to make sure the version of the app of YouTube that you're using is not the issue. Go ahead and make sure the app is updated, or at least have one of the newer versions. Once you have that done, you can quit the store and try YouTube, try that unavailable video basically. If that doesn't fix the problem, probably it's a location issue. What you can do from here is quit YouTube. So I quit the app, and then from here find the VPN that you use, or you can just install new VPNs. So just change your location and try different locations, see if that video opens up. If that doesn't work, try another VPN. Sometimes the VPN doesn't work with YouTube, so just try another one. And then of course go back to YouTube. If that still doesn't fix your problem, what you can do from here is let's go ahead and open our settings and then scroll down until you find apps. Here it is, and then wait for the app list to load up. Once it does, you can scroll down here or just search for YouTube simply. What we're gonna do here is actually clear all the data and cache of the YouTube app within our device, and even uninstall the updates and then reinstall them. That should fix the issue if the issue was in the app itself. If that still doesn't fix your issue, we can move on to the next fix. First, go ahead and open your browser from here, and then just from here Google speed test. Try to open the first website, and what we're gonna do here is run a speed test for our internet connection. If you find out that your internet is weak, maybe that's the problem. But if it's a problem in your internet, many videos wouldn't play, not just that specific one. Anyways, it's still worth trying. Maybe it is your internet at the end of the day. Now, if that doesn't fix the problem, we can move to the next fix. From here, just go ahead and open the YouTube app. Go to that video that is unavailable to you, and then tap on that share button. We're not gonna share the video, we're just gonna copy the link. So go ahead and tap copy link. Quit now from here and go back to your browser. Now from here, go ahead and start or open an incognito window. Obviously here, it's not gonna let me record, but what you're gonna do is just paste that link in the link bar basically, and then try to open that video from your browser from incognito mode. Maybe that fixes the problem and you can watch it there. If you still cannot watch it there, what you can do is, let me run a test to see if the problem is in our device itself. I'm gonna go to my social media app that I use, maybe Instagram, anywhere where you can send this link to a friend of yours that can help you test it. So I'm gonna just paste that link here, send it to them, and basically tell them to go ahead and try to watch this video. If it's unavailable for them too, that means the issue is not just for you or for your device. It's probably a YouTube issue, or like some settings, or something on YouTube. It's not from your part. Now, another thing you can try at least at the end is to change your whole account. It's not very useful once you send your link to your friend, but if you don't have a friend to send that link to, just go ahead and open YouTube, go to settings just like that, tap on switch account, and then switch the channel or email account that you're using for YouTube right now, if you have a second one of course. I have one right here. And from here, I'm gonna try to search for that video, or try to find it maybe via link or anything like that. And if it still doesn't play, that means it's not from your part. Definitely it's from YouTube's part, or maybe the owner of the video set it to private or deleted it. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.